I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to invert the colors or use color filters on your iPhone, which could help with readability or people with color blindness.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step 1 is to open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and select Accessibility, then tap Display and Size. Scroll down and you'll see Smart Invert. This will be if you would like to invert your colors. This reverses your colors except for media and images. Now you can also take that off and toggle Classic Invert. This will invert all of the colors on the display regardless of it being media or images. Now I'll turn this off. For color filters, you can scroll down right below that and tap Color Filters. You can tap the slider to turn the color filters on and select between any of the options that you'd like. Red, green, green, red, blue, yellow, or color tint. Once you select a filter, you can adjust a couple options here like the intensity with this slider or the hue with this slider, and it depends on which filter you choose, which options are available. Obviously intensity is going to be there for all of them. Color tint is the only one that's going to have the hue available.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.